oversee. So make you never overspeed.
I thought it was the one.
The one knows when love today.
I'm sure I will take you
Baby,
over.
jealousy go there. My baby make you no receive. And they promise say nobody there. No retire, no holiday. See the kind of love what I have for you. Where you gonna say you're okay, they okay. No more pain. All I want is happiness. Baby, I need your happiness. All I want is happiness.
I just want the happiness. Is that for me? Woo, woo.
Baby, I need your happiness.
It's not for me.
Baby, I need your happiness. Smile for me.
Smile for me.
Baby, I need your happiness. Come now, retire. No matter what I go, keep me on low. I'm gonna face you on. Anyway, see my love for you has no reason, no yeah. So don't go try to hurt your feeling. I don't go let you quench your feeling. Oh yeah, forget about them. No matter what your name be then.
It's all for me.
No matter what happiness today.
Happiness, only happiness.
I will take you there. I love for you.
Smile for me, smile for me. I want to see your smile.
Baby, I need your happiness. All I want is happiness. Baby, I need your happiness.
What I want for you is just your happiness. Smile for me. Yeah, for me. Smile for me. Thank you so much, guys. Just smile for me.
Baby, I need your happiness. You are the one I see you. Baby, your love is simple. I see you, my baby, too. You didn't make her see the song, yeah. To show you my love, yeah. No retire, no holiday. No. Oh, no. Yeah. Baby, the bougie and the Prada, eh. You deserve the dollar shilling.
Smile for me.
And they promise say nobody there. No retire, no holiday. See the kind of love what I have for you. Where you gonna say you're they okay. No more pain. I go take you over.
This is our day. I want you to smile for me. Aujourd'hui, c'est notre jour. Je veux juste voir votre sourire. Il faut sourire pour moi.
Oh baby, jealousy go there. My baby make you know the she. And they promise say nobody there. No retire, no holiday. See the kind of love what I have for you. Where you gonna say you're they okay. No more pain. All I want is happiness.
I just want your happiness.
All I want is happiness.
Anything happiness, smile for me. Hey,
Baby, I need your happiness.
smile for me. Matoum, je veux juste un sourire. Aujourd'hui, c'est ton jour. I just want your smile. Hey, smile for me. Donc, je rebisse le morceau parce qu'aujourd'hui, je veux juste votre sourire. Je veux juste votre sourire pour aujourd'hui. I will take you overseas.
So make you never overspeed.
Merci beaucoup, merci ma chérie.
Baby, jealousy go there. My baby make you know the she. And they promise say nobody there. No retire, no holiday. See the kind of
Listen the song and smile for me because I'm smiling for you. Oh,
all I want is happiness.
I just want your happiness. Hey,
All I want is happiness. Baby, I need your happiness.
smile for me. Hey,
Baby, I need your happiness. Oh.
smile for me.
Baby, I need your happiness. Oh. Smile for me. Baby, I need your happiness. Oh.
Smile for me.
Come now, retire. No matter what I'm gonna keep you on low. I'm gonna dance you on. Anyway, see my love for you.
Oh là, la vie est belle. Je veux juste ton sourire. Je veux juste voir ton sourire.
Forget about them.
Le problème que tu traverses en ce moment, dis non à ça. Dis non à ça. Prends ton calepin, tu dis, à compter d'aujourd'hui, je n'aurai que le sourire sur mes lèvres.
All I want is happiness.
I just want your happiness. Baby, I just want your happiness. Only your happiness. I just need your happiness. Smile for me. Hey,
Baby, I need your happiness.
smile for me. Smile for me.
Baby, I need your happiness.
Smile for me.
Baby, I need your happiness. You are the one I see you. Baby, your love is simple. I see you, my baby, too. You didn't make her see the song.
Oh, no.
No retire, no holiday. No, no, no. Oh, no, no, no.
Smile for me.
Baby, baby,
Qu'est-ce qui t'empêche de rire, ma soeur? Qu'est-ce qui t'empêche de rire, mon frère? Qu'est-ce qui t'empêche de nos jours de rire?
promise that nobody there. No retire, no holiday. See the kind of love what I have for you.
Si c'est le problème doit passer. Si c'est la maladie, ça doit passer.
I go take you overseas.
Si c'est parce que tu n'as pas un mari, le mariage doit venir. Ce n'est pas la priorité dans ta vie. Si tu as besoin des enfants, no worry. Ce n'est pas une priorité, ça doit venir. Chaque chose a son temps. I just want your smile. Je veux juste vous voir sourire. Je veux juste vous voir avec le sourire sur la face. Parce que chaque chose a son temps.
You gonna say you're they okay, no more pain. All I want is happiness. Baby, I need you happy.
I just want your happiness. Make sure you are just happy. Smile for me.
Baby, I need your happiness.
Smile for me.
Baby, I need your happiness. Smile for me.
Baby, I need your happiness. So smile for me. Ouais, parce que ce n'est pas facile. Il faut qu'on rebisse le morceau parce que je sais, ce n'est pas facile pour rire quand on a des problèmes. Mais je dois rappeler à une soeur aujourd'hui, je dois rappeler à un frère aujourd'hui, le sourire est très important. Le sourire est très important. Malgré les problèmes que nous traversons dans notre quotidien, il faut qu'on continue à être souriante. Il faut qu'on continue à être positif. Il faut qu'on continue à être focus. C'est la raison pour laquelle, mes frères et sœurs, j'ai mis ce morceau pour vous. Parce que j'ai juste besoin de votre sourire. Je veux juste te voir sourire. Je veux juste te voir continuer à être positif.
All I want is happiness. Baby, I need your happiness.
Smile for me. Hey, voilà ton sourire que je te donne. Smile for me.
Baby, I need your happiness.
Smile for me.
Baby, I need your happiness.
Smile for me.
Come now, retire. No matter what I go keep you on a low, 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 low. I'm gonna face you on a anyway. See my love for you has no reason, no way.
Smile for me.
Try to hurt your feeling. I know won't let it quench your
Le cœur, l'amour va.
forget about them. No matter what your name be then. Anyway, no matter
Ma soeur, je ne connais pas quel problème tu traverses en ce moment.
I go take you there.
I just want to see you happy. I just want to see you with the happiness, with the smile on your face. I know problem come with solution. Today I'm telling you, my sister, enjoy yourself.
Baby, I need your happiness.
Smile for me.
Baby, I need your happiness.
Smile for me.
Baby, I need your happiness.
Smile for me.
You are the one I see you. Baby, your love is simple. I see you, my baby, too. You didn't make her see the song, yeah. To show you my love today. No retire, no holiday. Oh, no, 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 no. Baby,
I'm still waiting.
you deserve the dollar.
I'm still waiting for him to.
No noise in the background.
Promise that nobody there. No retire, no holiday. See the kind of love I have for you. Where you gonna take your day.
L'amour que j'ai pour vous, voilà ça. Voilà ça. L'amour de ça.
I go take you
Oh.
overseas.
I will take you overseas because I have too much love for you. Too much love. I will take you overseas to enjoy yourself. Hey, hey.
Nobody day, no retire, no holiday. See the kind of love what I have for you. Where I'm gonna say you're okay.
What do you think? What do you think?
All I want is happiness.
I just want your happiness. Nothing else. Just your happiness.
Baby, I need your happiness.
Say my for me.
Baby, I need your happiness.
Say my for me. Hey! Baby, I need your happiness. Oh, say my for me.
Baby, I need your happiness. Oh.
Say my for me. Merci, 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 merci et merci encore. Merci pour tous ceux qui sont connectés. Merci. Je ne pouvais pas finir cette journée sans vraiment vous dire de sourire. Parce que là, sourire, c'est très, très important pour notre vie. Être positif, c'est très, très important pour notre vie. Aimer sa personne, c'est très, très important pour notre vie. Et pour le programme d'aujourd'hui, je dis merci, merci à tous ceux qui se sont connectés sur notre Zoom. Dans la réunion que nous avons aujourd'hui, c'était de Empower et Motivation. Pour motiver les gens et de booster les gens, d'être confidents d'eux-mêmes et aussi aider ceux qui sont à côté. Mais, oh my God, I need to call later. Ce qui est là par moment dans la vie, on n'est pas confident. Ce qui nous tue en fait, ce qui nous tue parce que le sujet d'aujourd'hui c'était très intéressant et moi aussi j'ai beaucoup appris. Donc je dis merci, merci, merci à tous les enfants, à tous les teenagers, à tous les adultes qui étaient connectés sur la page aujourd'hui. Je vous dis grandement merci. Merci. Aujourd'hui à la réunion, il y avait ceux qui se sont connectés depuis l'Italie, il y avait ceux qui se sont connectés depuis la France et il y avait ceux qui se sont connectés depuis la Grande-Bretagne. Donc merci beaucoup, merci, merci, merci de croire en moi et je crois aussi en vous. C'est la raison pour laquelle j'ai toujours l'énergie pour pouvoir donner le sourire à quelqu'un parce qu'au retour, vous me donnez aussi le sourire sur la face. Merci beaucoup, merci pour les interventions d'aujourd'hui. Vraiment, ça doit vraiment m'aider pour qu'on puisse continuer pour le programme, pour la communauté et pour le monde entier parce que le programme que nous allons mettre en place pour pouvoir rapprocher les gens ensemble, ce n'est pas seulement pour Wolverhampton, ce n'est pas seulement pour le UK, mais c'est international aussi. C'est international parce que nous avons eu certaines informations qui sortent dans d'autres pays, exemple comme l'Italie, la France. Nous avons eu ces deux pays connectés avec la Grande-Bretagne aujourd'hui sur notre première session de Empowerment and Motivation. Et on avait deux thèmes qui étaient le COVID-19, comment ça nous affecte et comment on peut faire et qu'est-ce qu'on a appris dans cette histoire de lockdown COVID-19. Qu'est-ce qu'on a appris? Qu'est-ce qu'on a appris dans cette histoire de COVID-19? Est-ce que nous sommes là juste pour suivre ce que le gouvernement dit? Qu'est-ce qu'on a tiré dans ces inconvénients? Quels sont des avantages? Quel est ce qu'on peut donner aussi au gouvernement pour pouvoir les aider? Nous avons tiré quoi comme leçon? Et maintenant, on peut amener quoi comme solution? C'était là le but du sujet. Nous avons eu certaines informations, nous avons eu à discuter et le programme continue la semaine prochaine. Et le deuxième sujet, c'était par rapport à George, le monsieur qui a été assassiné aux États-Unis par un policier. On a eu à comprendre ce que les autres pensent, ce que nos enfants pensent, les inconvénients, comment ça les affecte, surtout les enfants. Parce qu'on doit penser aux enfants. Le social media n'est plus seulement pour les adultes. Le social media de nos jours, depuis le lockdown, les enfants sont focalisés sur des computers, sur des téléphones et sur des laptops, sur des tablettes. Donc, les enfants ont vu ce qui s'est passé. Quand tu poses la question à un enfant de ce qui s'est passé aux États-Unis, l'enfant te décortique. Moi, je ne connaissais même pas que le monsieur, quand il était mort, on n'a pas arrêté le policier le même jour. C'est aujourd'hui, à la conférence, qu'un enfant expliquait exactement ce qui s'est passé. Donc, mes frères et sœurs, enregistrez-vous. Connectez-vous la semaine prochaine. Connectez-vous sur notre page. Sur la page Alvin Noumé, vous aurez les informations. Sur la page Alvin Noumé sur YouTube, allez sur YouTube pour subscribe. Et à chaque fois, quand je dois envoyer des vidéos sur YouTube, ça doit vous notifier. Donc, allez sur YouTube, search Alvin Noumé. Vous allez voir déjà ce que nous sommes en train de faire pour la communauté. Allez dans Facebook, My Grand Empowerment Group. Vous allez voir ce que My Grand Empowerment fait dans le monde entier. Allez sur Facebook, Azek Vision. Vous allez retrouver beaucoup de programmes qui peuvent vous aider. Ou peut-être vous pouvez venir aussi contribuer. Donc, merci beaucoup pour tous ceux qui étaient connectés aujourd'hui. Thank you so much. Thank you for all of you who was present today in our Zoom conference meeting. The topic, I really want to say thank you so much for your contribution. Your contribution was very kind to me. I was surprised to hear the voice of our youth. I was surprised to hear how our children are thinking about the issue who is going on in our community, in this world. The two topic was the death of George Floyd and COVID-19, how it's affecting us and how people think about it. And the children really explain it, how they think and what they want. I think we need to continue working in the same way, because sometimes in life we focus in ourselves, parents, and we forgot the children. It's mean every Sunday now, My Grand Empowerment is inviting you guys, parents and children, connect yourself with your children. Let your child give the voice. What we need is to give our voice. Be the voice of no voice. I want to see more children be a leader of their generation. I want to see the children giving their voice. I want to see the children talking more to parents. I want to see parents respecting children. If you parents respect your child, I'm sure your child will respect you back. I'm straight away now, I'm talking to black and minority ethnic community. I'm talking straight away now to black and minority ethnic group in the community. Please, we need to respect our children. We need to respect our youth. Because at the minute you not talk to your children, not forget your children are talking with others. Oh, ma chérie, sorry vraiment. I forgot to say, I said that yesterday, but I forgot. You know, it's a lot of things to do. I supposed to prepare the paperwork of today. I did a lot of stuff. I supposed to start calling people for the problem. They told me people have problem and my phone is ringing every single minute. Since I start this live, I cannot tell you how many people are ringing. I'm just rejecting the call. Sorry, Mama. Sorry, I forgot about it. But after this live, I will call you and we will talk quietly. Love you so much. God bless you and your family. But the topic of today was very brilliant. I'm so happy because I hear the voice of our children, and some parents, they understand how children think. Parents understand how children think. Parents understand they are not alone with problems. Parents understand the way you react. It can be different for the way another person reacts. The way you understand information, it can be different for the way somebody understand that information. It's how we need to live in the community. And that conference meeting, we just start the first program today, is to bring all black and minority ethnic groups together, is to bring European people in that same pot, is to bring British people in the same pot for us to work together. Please, at the moment, I want to beg black and minority, especially Africa community. I want to beg Africa community because sometimes it's difficult. It's difficult. I don't know, or because our brain is difficult to understand, or it's just because we don't like ourselves. Sometimes I'm confusing to do research about that kind of topic because I ask myself, I don't know if it's just because we don't want to socialize, to love each another, to support each another, or it's just a complex. We don't love ourselves. Sometimes I try to find the resolution of this, but I think this is the moment. This is the moment for us to put our faith down and say, God, enough is enough. This is time for us to come together and be one. This is time for us to say, yes, enough is enough. Enough is enough. We need to be together. We need to cry together. We need to laugh together. This is why I'm putting this song of smile. I just want you to smile for me. I'm not asking you much. I'm not asking you much. Because we Africans, sometimes, even if I tell you to come, I just say, please come. You will not come because you think I want to ask you something. No, for me, I just want you to smile. For me, I just want your happiness. For me, I just want you to be positive. For me, I just want you to give respect to your own self. Because I know if you respect yourself, your children will benefit. I know if you respect yourself, your children will benefit. I know if we come together and be one, people will respect us. What I'm seeing today, it will never happen again. If we came and be one, what I'm seeing today will never happen again. But if after this we continue walking in the same, everyone going on his own direction, things like that will happen again. Things like that will happen again. But if it's after this, because I can see in the world everywhere, we are talking about the death of George, who died in US. People are talking on the street. People are going to do mad. People are doing everything to say it's about discrimination. About discrimination. Do you think just going on the street talking, say what we want to say, it will solve the problem? For me, I think we need more. For me, I think we need more. Yes, I accept for us to go out and shout and do what we are doing. Yes, it's good. But we need to do more. We do need to do more. And that more I'm requesting from you is for us to come together. It's for us to come together and be one. It's for us to come together and support each another. It's for us to come together and cry together. It's for us to come together and have the smile in our face together. We need to stop thinking it's better for just me to be happy. We need to stop that mentality. For me, I call it stupid mentality. That is a stupid mentality. If you're that person, you always think for yourself. It means something is wrong for you. It means you have mental health issue and you never know you have that issue. If you're that person, you just think all the money is supposed to be for you. Brother and sister, it means something is wrong for you. You have mental health. And we need to say no to mental health. We need to say no for depression. We need to say no for loneliness. I'm standing to speak on behalf of people who have no voice. If you want to join our platform, you are welcome. Let me put the music for us to enjoy again ourselves. Because, let me tell you something. Alvin Nume, I'm so happy for you guys. I'm so happy for you. I know you are clever enough for us to stand together and say enough is enough. We are so intelligent. We are so clever. But the problem we have, we work separately. We don't like each another. And this is time for us to come together and fight for the same cause. And develop business. And support the economy to grow up. If you know you are selling granite, I need to go and buy that granite for you to progress with your business. I know one guy who called me today and tell me, Alvin, you're talking about this program, but I see something in our community. I start my business, but I don't even want to show people in my community like I'm the founder of that business. I asked the guy, are you serious? The guy said, yes, I don't want to say to somebody I'm the founder of that business. Because if in my community know I'm the founder of that business, they will never buy. They will not. Can you understand this? Can you understand what I'm talking about? Where I'm coming from? We need to stop. I'm talking today because I'm the voice of no voice. Africa women, black women, white women in the community, in the entire world. Because I love myself. I know where I'm coming from. I know where I'm going. We need to stop that. The guy told me, my sister has set up the business. But I cannot even advertise. I cannot even advertise in the community. I cannot even call people from my tribe. I cannot even call people from Africa to tell them this is the product I want to sell. Because if I show them, they will not buy it. They will not buy it. Now he starts selling his product with the identity of somebody else. Can you believe that stupidity we have in our community? African, I beg you. I beg you, please. I beg you. I want all of you to open. We have a big ear. We have big ear. Africa women. We have big ear. Africa men. I never see somebody who have a small ear. We in Africa, we have big ear. Even if it's closed. If you are deaf, I know you have eyes to see what is happening. I know that big eyes, you have it to see what is happening. Even if you are blind, I know the technology is out there. You have that tablet to use it. You touch it. You know what is going on. We need to support each another. I was shocked the time that guy was giving me that testimony for his business. Please, Africa. It's easy for us to write Black Lives Matter. It's easy. That three word is very easy. It's easy. For me, it's easy. Even if you are sleeping, you can write it. Black Lives Matter. I know it's easy. But put that in practice is difficult. Put that in practice is difficult. White people, it will be easy for them to put it in practice to support black community. But black community, it will be so difficult to put that in practice. Please. Nous sommes quand même au 21e siècle, non? Nous sommes au 21e siècle. Today meeting, I hear the 6-year-old girl to say 2019 was a best year, but 2020 is not a good year. We asked the question, he said because of the lockdown, COVID-19. Because of the lockdown, she didn't go to school. She went to school and then after she stopped, she can't even see her friend. They just play the game on tablet, on computer. She sad about it because she missed the teacher. She didn't say she missed the parent. She missed the teacher. Parent, please, I want you to love your child. I want you to love your child more than nothing. Parent, you just go and follow money. You follow money. You go to work 24 hours. 24/7 you go to work. 24/7 you go to work. You never have time to say to your daughter, to say to your son, I love you. You never have that time. You never have that time. The money you are chasing is the money to educate your children. Yes, I know that. But your children is first. Your child is first. If you cannot give the good education to your child, even if you left millions of pounds in your account to your child, if that child is not clever or is not intelligent or have no education, the money will just go like this. If he's a man, women will eat all that money because he's not clever, he's not intelligent. He will just give money to women. He don't know the value of that women. He don't know for that money. He don't know the suffering to have money. If he's a woman, he will just give that money to men because the parent couldn't give the better education. I beg you for us to come together and be one. And be one and give that love to our children. And train them. I hope the lockdown give you another vision of life. I hope this lockdown let you understand the reality of life. With all this which is going on around the world. George Floyd, I know, it's sad. But we need to learn some lesson. Let's learn some lesson. Come together. Fight for the same cause. Come together and support each another. I know you have a dream. What is your dream? Start your dream right now for us to come and support you. Because the testimony of the guy who gave to me this morning, he was shocked. He was shocked. He was shocked. How can somebody tell me, no, I have a business, but I cannot even tell to our meeting place. I cannot even tell to my friend. I cannot even tell to my tribe people in the community. I cannot even tell somebody. Only other people from China, from a white community. It's not just that group of people I'm telling them about my business. It's mean, please, we African, we need to change our mentality. The guy told me, the time he sell, now he come to the community and show the people of to show Africa community and say, okay, this product I taking from blah blah person and change the name. He's supposed to change and put it on the name of somebody else. He's supposed to say he's not the founder of that business. She was now saying he's just there to promote. He's just there to promote, and he's the founder. He's the founder. He's the entrepreneur of that business. But he's there to telling people of his community, no, I'm just promoting. And people will go and buy and go and promote that name for that person. But if he say it's him, people will go, somebody will go and buy it and start saying, if you see this, I'll buy it in blah blah shop. It was too expensive. It was too expensive and direct people to somewhere else. Hey, let me put the music and smile because it's too much. Let me put the music and smile.
I will take you overseas. So make it never overspeed. You want to say I love today. Oh baby, jealousy go there. And baby, make you know receive.
Merci pour tous ceux qui sont connectés. Merci, God bless you all.
No holiday. See the kind of love what I have for you. Where I want to say you're okay. No more pain. All I want is happiness.
Merci Matou, merci pour tes comments, merci pour tes commentaires, merci. Il faut qu'on change vraiment. That is shame for us.
Baby, I need your happiness.
It's hard for me.
Baby, I need your happiness.
It's hard for me. I just need your happiness. I don't need more from you, just your happiness.
Come now, retire. No matter what I'm going to keep you, low. I'm going to dance you on. Anyway, see my love for you has no reason. you know it. So I'm gonna try to hurt your feeling. I'm not gonna let you quench your feeling.
Ah.
Forget about them.
Come on, guys, celebrate yourself. Enjoy your life. Just follow my grand empowerment group, Alvin Nume. Hey,
I go take
the women will give you happiness free of charge. I will remind you every day, happiness is the best. I'm giving you free of charge.
baby, I need your happiness.
C'est my for me. Hey,
Baby, I need your happiness.
c'est my for me. Ris pour moi, ris pour moi. J'ai besoin de ton sourire.
Baby, I need your happiness.
C'est my for me.
You are the one I see you. Baby, your love is simple. I see you, my baby, too. You didn't make her see this boy. To show you my love today.
Eh oui,
No holiday.
one love.
Oh, no, 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 no. Baby, baby, baby.
One love.
You deserve the dollar shilling.
Qui n'a pas dansé depuis le matin? Mon frère, ça c'est ton jour. Ma soeur, ça c'est ton jour. Enjoy yourself as you can. Enjoy as you can. With Alvin Nume, the CEO of the CEO. I'm just here to give you a smile. Eh oui, si vous avez vos produits pour faire la promotion, contactez Alvin Nume. Je dois vous aider à faire la promotion de vos produits. Parce qu'à la fin de la journée, on doit travailler en synergie. On travaille ensemble. I just want your happiness. Je ne demande rien de plus. Je veux juste ton sourire sur la face. C'est my for me. C'est my for me. Hey! C'est my for me. Ouais. Le morceau là.
So me give me bad, yeah. So me not be bad, yeah. Every day different style. You always make that in mind. Make I say something.
Oh non, quelle journée. Merci beaucoup. Merci Seigneur. Merci. Mais nous avons encore beaucoup à faire. Nous avons du chemin à suivre. Spécialement les Africains, nous avons un long chemin à suivre pour pouvoir travailler ensemble.
You be my darling, yeah. Darling, yeah. You be my darling, yeah. Darling, yeah. You be my darling, yeah. Darling, yeah. You be my darling, yeah. Whatever it is, then my baby get no be bad, no. Darling, yeah. That be why me I pray for you. She don't give my heart desire. Anytime when I want me, baby, make I say something. Give me a love, man. What I'm feeling inside is so real. Oh, baby.
Tous ceux qui ont besoin des tenues traditionnelles, des tenues africaines, n'hésitez pas de contacter Azek Vision. Anyone who want the Africa dress, contact Azek Vision. Okay? People who want the jewelry, contact Azek Vision platform. And if you have your product, you want to advertise, contact our platform. We can help you to advertise your product. Okay?
My baby know the date. What I'm feeling inside is so real. Oh baby girl, I go let it out. Darling, yeah. You be my darling, yeah. Darling, yeah. You be my darling, yeah. Darling, yeah.
You be my darling, yeah.
She made it easier.
Merci pour toutes les femmes qui sont connectées ce soir. Merci pour tous les hommes qui sont connectés ce soir. On ne peut que dire merci à Dieu. On ne peut que dire gloire à Dieu de continuer de nous donner le souffle de vie, de continuer à nous donner le sourire sur la face. C'est la raison pour laquelle je chante pour vous ce soir. et je suis très contente pour vous ce soir de juste voir votre sourire. Juste voir votre sourire parce que sourire, chanter, c'est très important dans notre vie. We need to learn to work together. Les Africains, nous allons apprendre de travailler ensemble. C'est de ça qu'il s'agit. Parce qu'on a toujours eu à passer le temps à se plaindre. Arrêtons de se plaindre les Africains et puis on travaille ensemble. Voilà le morceau que je mets pour vous. Après ce morceau, on arrête le live. I just want to see your smile. Je veux juste voir ton sourire parce que je te donne ce sourire. Alvin Noumet te donne son sourire gratuitement. L'amour de ça. Love, love, love. Merci beaucoup à ma grande soeur chérie. Je la vois connectée là à Evelyne. Que Dieu te bénisse ma soeur chérie. Love, love, love. Je te donne l'amour, l'amour, l'amour. Big love, big love, big love. Je veux juste ton sourire. Je ne connais pas quel problème vous traversez en ce moment, mes frères et sœurs. Je ne connais pas quel problème vous tient ce soir. Voilà le cœur que je vous donne. Problème vient avec solution. On ne peut pas avoir de solution s'il n'y a pas de problème. Donc, quand on a des problèmes, il y a des solutions. Enjoy, on enjoy, and enjoy, on enjoy. Donc, connectez-vous. Ceux qui prient de nos jours pour avoir un enfant, ma soeur, je te dis, un jour tu serais surprise. Parce que tu dois dire, mais je suis enceinte. Je suis enceinte. J'ai accouché. Après combien d'années? Après combien d'années? Donc, chaque chose dans la vie a son temps. Chaque chose dans la vie a son temps. Je sais qu'il y a quelqu'un ou un frère quelque part qui dit, waouh, j'ai commencé le business, ça fait 20 ans, je ne fais que avoir des dettes. Mais un jour, waouh, le sourire de ça serait jusqu'ici. I need your happiness, oh, say my for me.
Baby, I need your happiness, oh. You are the one I see, oh. Baby, your love is simple. I see you, my baby, too. You didn't make her see this song, yeah. To show you my love today. No retire, no holiday. Oh, no, 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 no. Baby, baby, you need a dollar shilling. And they promise nobody day. No retire, no holiday.
Eh oui.
What I have for you, where you gonna take today, okay? No more pain. I will take you overseas. So we can never overfeed. If you know say we love today, oh baby jealousy go there, and baby make you know they see you. And they promise that nobody there, no retire, no holiday. See the kind of love what I have for you, where you gonna say today, okay?
Hey.
No more pain. All I want is happiness. Baby, I need your happiness.
I just want your happiness.
Happiness. Baby, I need your happiness. So smile for me. Baby, I need your happiness. So smile for me. Baby, I need your happiness. So smile.
Ok, merci beaucoup, merci, thank you so much. Passez une très bonne soirée. On se prend à bientôt. Merci beaucoup.